Hello, folks. Welcome to Lego with Fonzie. Let us yeah. Excuse me. Hope everyone is well. Hi, hi, hi. So today we're doing bag 5 of the Lego Ideas Blacksmiths. Look at it. It looks fantastic. It looks absolutely fantastic. So today we're going to do some more work on this. We're going to do build bag 5, which is already ta-da! It's already been arranged and partly assembled. So, without further ado, let's crack on. May I say, whilst we're sorting this out, if you wouldn't mind taking a moment, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing. It just means that, well, other people can find this video easier. I would like to be the first Lego channel to hit 1 million subscribers. I haven't seen one of those yet. So I am hoping that I can achieve that. It's going to take a while. I get that, but I'm hoping that, well, I'm hoping I can achieve it. And with your help, I'm quite sure I can. So, let's crack on. Bosh. So now we've got a wishing well, which is looking really cool. I think it may have come apart a little bit here. It's been sat in the tub. Is it did? Yes. Yes, see? Yes. Anyway, little wishing well. That is super cool. Super cool. And we have our little Archer over here. It's quite a cute haircut. Little Archer. Aha. So, swing this round. Now, the wishing well goes on here. Like so. So a little wishing well goes on there. Now, where am I going to put you? You're going to go inside. I'm going to pop you in there. Make yourself at home. Have a cup of tea. No, I would. I've actually just had one. It was lovely. Next. Now we're going into the pre-assembled portions of the build. My beard interfering with the microphone again. So basically it's a portion of tree. Got a little bullseye on there. Target practice. Think that is really cool. That's one part of the tree. And these are all different portions of tree and bush have been assembled. So quickly just tip all them out. Have a quick look at how this all goes together, because this is a bit of a jigsaw puzzle and I didn't put it together. I had my lovely Sarah put it together for me. So right now I'm going to try and work out. Oi! Got a little frog on there as well. I've just noticed. That is so cool. Got a little frog. So this slots in there. Like that. It's a bit stiff, so give it a bit of a push. And if it does click, don't panic. It's because there's 2 stud holders in the bottom, and that's just popped straight into it. So that's cool. I did jump a little bit there, I will admit. So we want one side from one. We want these 4, and now these will, I'm guessing, attach to this somehow. Like so. Yeah. Ah, right. We need this piece on as well. That goes on there like that. And then we can attach. I wondered how it went together. That goes on there like that. Piece goes on like that. They're a bit stiff, and you've got to be careful because this is so delicate. It will separate very easily. There we go. It's got to be firm but gentle, like so. That's really good. I do like that. I will be using a similar idea of that for the decoration things of the project I'm currently working on, which is sat over there. Say it's sat over there. It's going to be massive. It'll literally be the size of the table by the time I'm finished. It's going to be quite a size, and I have to make it so it comes apart because I've got nowhere to store it. But that's all again for a reveal video in a couple of weeks. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next episode of Lego with Fonzie. Let us A. Yeah. Bye bye for now. Take care.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.
A.